dito sa mga bata. Oh, move on here, not here. Move on here.
Okay, everyone po. Dito po tayo po bus number 6. Dito na lang po sa side po natin. Mag-group po na kayo sa vlog.
Guys, ito, pasok,
Sige po, kindly take your seat po. Yes, so everyone for bus 6, you may now take your seat for the meantime.
James, you go there.
Ako masyadong lalayo. Dito lang po kayo. Yan, pang-best na lang po tayo. Short items presentation lang po ito.
Oh, what is it? James, look there. Here.
Sige po, doon na po tayo, mamis. Para makapag-start na din po tayo ng items presentation.
I don't remember this place.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air, put your hands up. Hands up in the
I
air.
don't remember this place, bro. So here, join us. Join them. Join them. Magpapashow sila. Sayaw lang yan. Hey, man! Ako, just here.
You wanna go there?
I wanna see better.
Okay, hello po, happy morning. Pwede na ba tayo mag-start? Okay na ba sila? Okay, so hello again and welcome here in Subic Safari. So here po you are going to watch our Aita brothers to perform some of their traditional dances, which are imitations of some animals that you can find here inside the Subic Bay Forest and how these animals affect their daily living. But before that po, when we talk about the existence of the Aitas, history would tell us that long before, the Americans came here and converted Subic Bay Forest into their military facilities, our Aitas have already been living here, and whose cultures have been preserved and handed down from generation to generation. That is why we highly regard our Aitas as the true owner of Subic Bay Forest. Indeed, this is their ancestral land. So they are going to perform 4 traditional dances po. And for the first dance, they have the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng tutubi. So whenever our Aitas see a group of dragonflies swarming around, it indicates the arrival of the rainy season. And along with the rainy season comes the planting season. And this is also their means of informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes on the weather. So ladies and gentlemen po, our Aita brothers to perform the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng tutubi. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay po, and for the second dance naman po, they have the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. So they do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and there is no other animals that can match the ability of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. So once again po, the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin sila, kuya. Okay po, and for the third dance naman po, they have the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. So before they send their young men into the actual battlefield, they would first perform this ritual dance to ask guidance from their god, called Apu na Malyari, to lead them in a victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. So once again po, the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Okay, and for their final dance naman po, they have the sayaw ng sikuti. So it is originally performed by the younger generation and it portrays a mock fight using a sticks. Arnis is the traditional Filipino art of stick fighting, employed readily available weapon by simple people who seeking self-protection. And it is also a gentle imitation of martial arts sparring. So once again po, for their final dance, sayaw ng sikuti. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin sila. And thank you. That will be the end of their short but humble presentation made especially for you po. And sa mga gusto pong magpa-picture sa ating ITAS po, punta lang sila sa harap. And if you want to give some donation naman po for the ITAS, any amount po will be highly appreciated. Just put it in their donation box. Again, everybody, thank you so much and enjoy your stay. Okay na po.
Amin, pass number 6 po. Yan, picture na lang po na lahat. Tayo na lang po tayo, kasi na lang po sa may stage area for the picture taking. Then after po lang, sir, na tayo. Check your belongings, pero baka may kailangan.
Soda pop. Soda pop.